Is it on?
Yeah.
Well, it feels like the feet are right in. Okay. How was that? Come here. Come here. Come here, Muffin. Come here. Come on. Come here. Want to go outside? Come here. Come here. Want to go outside? Let's go outside. Want to go outside? We're gonna go. Let's put your sweater. Where's your sweater? Let's put your sweater on you, and we will go outside. Okay. No. Okay. Sit. Come over here. Go. Come here. Come here. Okay. I'm gonna stick the foot through with the shoe.
I don't think the back one's on properly. The back right one, it's off to the right. Yeah. It's fine.
Okay. Are we gonna? Okay. Let's fix it. So, yeah. That's good. They fit good in the paws. I don't know how she's gonna be walking in the snow right now, but I mean, I think she'll.